turntable. Give it one try. Testing now. Now we want to make sure that we're both speaking at the same tone, because I hear my tone.
Yeah.
Speak at the same volume I'm speaking. Match my volume, please, with your voice. Just talk.
Just talk.
Just say rapping. But match the tone, like the volume of my voice.
Okay.
So we have an equalized volume. Equalized volume. Okay.
Equalized volume. Like this. Something like that.
A little more louder. A little louder.
A little louder.
A little louder.
A little louder.
Little louder.
Loud enough right here. Like this.
A little bit louder.
Mouth job, man.
A little louder.
Little louder like this, little louder like that. Little powder, little bit, gotta say, little bit,
okay.
Little bit so bad, little bit so bad.
Just put on. Take a ride. Test our voices. Testing. Testing.
Y'all know how we talk?
Get ready. Lead us out.
Okay.
You want to take us out?
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay. I don't do that gunplay. Run up if you want to, bitch. I'm gonna spray you with a K. I'm a real nigga, I don't fucking play. Nah, nigga, not damn day. Okay.
I had to come bring that Mac to the beat. Let me tell you what, man, Terry T from the trap beat. Let me tell you what, man, like I had Chore Boy motherfucking at the crack house. Let me tell you what, man, you act whack now because you motherfuckers act no clowns, and I don't give no fuck about you, man. We about to run this town.
Okay. We finna run this town. Cause a nigga keep talking shit, we ain't gon' get gunned down. Shoot him in the face with the K, got the Draco. Everybody know that we on stuff. Yeah, anyway, nigga talking shit nowadays, I don't play. Listen, nigga, you a hoe fuck, nigga, you a bitch, nigga, I heard you was snitching around the city. Nigga, you a motherfucker bitch around the city. Yeah, nigga, snatch a change in the motherfucking city. No, not me trying to reach for it, nigga, I'm a real song. Play with me, nigga, I real song.
No, we gotta keep it real, son. We back in the projects, we back up in the trailer. Let me tell you, I cuss like a sailor. And let me tell you what, like Gladdy and Baylor, I'm gonna kill these motherfuckers playing with me. I don't give a fuck about that. It's death before dishonor on this motherfucking track. Terry Tyler, fucking Mid-South Media man. I done made a few things, I done shot a few grams, I done shot a few crosses, but I ain't crossed no bosses. All I'm about is money till I'm rocking Jacob watches. Man, I be flossing, talking all that bullshit. I be rocking round cause I'm rockin' roll hood shit. All about the paper, the cash and the favor. All about the money, popping pills with now and laters.
I want Mariana. Bad bitch with a big sauna. Hell yeah, y'all can't honor. Y'all nigga all wanna hate. Y'all nigga know that we straight. BMG gon' get a plate. Then we gon' eat it like some grapes. Y'all nigga hate I got great crips. Y'all nigga know I got some blood too. Y'all nigga know I got some vice lord nigga, but you know that I fucking rep that damn blue. Y'all nigga know that I'm a gangster. Nigga, I never been a waster. I'm in prison like I used to shank niggas. And I ain't nigga playing, I shank a nigga. Run up on a nigga broad day. Shoot him in the face with the K. White boy with me right here. Man, he got the motherfucking Drake. I always talk about the Draco. Y'all nigga know I don't play hoe. When the summertime fucking hit though, everybody gonna hit the back door.
CMCF out Rankin County, let me tell you what, I am a peon. I was crowned lord of the peons, but that's so cool, I don't get peed on. I pee on motherfuckers fucking with me. Terry T, born and raised in the motherfucking streets. I'm praying about that motherfucking goddamn butter. All about that butter, whip it up on the stove. And I wasn't a very good cook, but let me tell you what, I wrote them books and got them pussies shook. Let's wait a minute. This is real shit. This is mixtape. Like I said, guys, we're fucking broke. I'm on the verge of being homeless. I'm $20,000 in debt. My guy here, man.
Fresh out of prison, man. You know what I'm saying? I came up from nothing, straight from the jungle. You know what I'm saying? I really don't freestyle, I rap. I write, you know what I'm saying? But this what we doing. This is just a freestyle mixtape.
We just got to get it out there, man. There ain't no fucking studios around here, so we're just dropping this shit, man.
How I'm coming though. How I'm coming. Pull up on the nigga with that onion. I got you. Every day we got to say. And if we lose it, get it right back. Hey.
Get it back, that's how we raise. Street hustlers, learn it from the early age. You gon' eat, you gon' survive up in these streets. If you don't, you gon' get motherfucking ate.
You gotta hustle every day. And if you don't hustle, then you ain't gon' get paid. Nigga walk around with their hand out. I ain't giving you shit, what you think that gun about? Put it in his face, tell him give it up. If he don't get it up, then shoot his ass up. Then take your shit, bro. I came from the jungle, man. I had to fucking kill a nigga cause a nigga tried to take me under. But I ain't going. And y'all niggas know that I ain't hoeing. Run up if you want to, I'ma put you on the shirt. Run up if you want to, man, your sister might get hurt.
Get your feelings hurt, we gon' put you in the dirt. Let me tell you what, I'm rolling around with Elizabeth Burke. Let me tell you what, the QLA, I'm learning up the NSA. And all about them things that I can't even motherfucking say. All about that top shit, top level contracts. $100 million motherfucking damn contracts. Chilling with these motherfuckers, hanging with the top hats. Man, I'm obnoxious. AR with the contacts, augmented reality with the contacts, AR-15s with the clips, with the cockback, pulling up, man, with the motherfucking clips, 100-round drums, motherfucker, this is it, this is the end of the days, I be trying to get paid, minimum wage, I ain't about that bullshit, I'm about making cheese, so motherfucker, please, come and fuck with these G's.
Fuck with the G's, you know I be a G. I've been a G since I was born.
What is a G?
Since I was born. I was born in this shit.
Let's drop some shit for him. Let me hit this U-turn real quick. You ready for something? Let's get a hook. Get a hook.
Right. Let's get it going. And now I ain't going. Now I'm on the road and I'm torn. Back then I used to be broken hoes, say that I was born. But now I'm getting paid, well trying to, but we getting laid every fucking day. Fuck a rich nigga bitch real quick, you can't do nothing but respect this shit.
Oh fuck yeah, dude. Yeah. Alright, man. We're about to set these motherfuckers on fire, man. This is the fucking mixtape, guys. Go ahead, check it out. Fucking midsouthmedia.net. Check that motherfucking shit out, guys.
Go get it. Yo.
It's cool to fucking care. Don't disrespect your community. Don't even go there. You be littering on your streets. You be fucking disrespecting freaks. You disrespecting your motherfucking self. You look at the shit that you eat. Look at the color that you wear. Look at the wash in your grill. You ain't got no motherfucking money. You ain't got no motherfucking skills. You just a fucking part-timer. You is not a full-time grinder. You all about that bullshit, man. This is just a fucking reminder.
It's a reminder. No, I don't sign, bro. And I won't sign to y'all. If you ain't got $1 million bucks, I don't want to talk to you. Don't even call my phone. This a Metro PCS, so you know I'm moving home. For real though, I gotta get though. Nigga play with me and I'm for the kick though. And I ain't playing though, bitch I'm for real though. Look me in my eyes, I ain't saying playing hoe. Yo, pussy nigga know that I'm for real. Fuck nigga trying to get a deal. Pussy nigga out here trying to steal. Run up on me, I kill. Straight head shouting with my white boy shouting. Hell yeah, nigga, you know we gotta get shouting. Bad shouting, big ass fouting. Run up on me, I give it to you. Leave you in the street, 6 feet deep. Fuck bury that nigga, burn him in the street. Pussy yeah, nigga be talking that beef, but don't want beef when they see a real G. Nigga like me, coming in Shannon. Real ass nigga, bitch I been banned. Bitch I been banned, like blood on my face. Pussy yeah, nigga, think that I was a bandit. Now I'm not no bandit, bitch I'm in insane. I'll make that done. No, I'm not lame. Fuck with me, bitch. Get in your brain. Bitch,
Cooking the bitch like we cooking the crack and the terry, the tea, and I'm coming right back and I'm working them things and I'm talking this shit. And let me tell you what, I'm coming straight from the hill. Chart of the hill, that ballroom this, Centerville, that what you know. Cherry tea from Tupelo, that MDP, that fruity blow. Shit to keep you up all night. Stayed awake for 4 days, stayed awake for 4 weeks. I don't even think I need no sleep, cause I be fucking vampire. Walking up, I ain't damn tired. Fuck you, motherfucker, man, I done fucking live my life like a bad child.
I done been to prison 3 fucking times in on 24. Damn. Fucked up my life in the system. But I never been a victim. Pussy ass nigga, I kill some. I'm just talking, don't tell nobody. Real ass nigga, I'm a G-Lo. Real ass nigga, never been a hoe. Real ass nigga, bustin' in the O. Fucking with the best nigga, roller stove. Y'all niggas know how I go, though. Let me sit back, that's the po-po.
Well, that's just cool.
Nah, I'm for real, that's the po-po.
Okay, hold on. Let's see if we're still recording, man. Fucking A, we're still recording. You fucking A right. We're fucking A right, we're still recording, dude. Dude, we're live. We're live in the fucking den. This is it. Hold on. Let's hope this fucking can't lose this shit. Capturing the vibes. It's happening. It's reality. Hold up. Make about 100 million. Woo. Woo. Profit off of fake children. Woo. Woo. Making money on that shit. Woo. Woo. Working for the government. Woo. Woo. Trying to get a contract. Woo. Woo. No, I'm gonna get it back. Woo. Woo. Trying to get a fucking loan. Loan? Design 3, 4 drones.
Man. Bitch, I'm trying to get a loan. Hey. Trapping the Metro PCS phone. Bitch, you know I just came home. And fucking niggas be talking this shit. Lame man nigga get killed quick. Bitch nigga, you a real bitch. Never fake, never real. Y'all niggas ain't trained to kill. Bitch nigga, I was born for this. Real nigga, I'm born for this. If a nigga tryna play with me, I swear to God, he gon' kill for this. Man, it's all I ever wanted. I'm chasing my dreams. I'm chasing these millions. You chasing these bitches. I can't fuck with that shit. I can't fuck with this nigga. Hey. Man, this some real fucking shit.
I be chasing the storms, and let me tell you what, man, I'm making the corners, and I be doing the things that I can't say. Let me tell you what, I can't say, and I can't say that. I've been going with that black line. Let me tell you what, it's a flat line. We fucking kill this contract. You gotta watch out of motherfucking assassinators. They motherfucking goddamn haters, and they're gonna try to eat us like alligators. But let me tell you what, I'm gonna smash you like mashed potatoes and eat up your motherfucking bacon and your fucking gravy. Man, I fuck your lady, cause man, I get so dirty. And let me tell you what they call this white boy dirty. They like my long hair, boy, they like my fucking locks. Let me tell you what, boy, shit, this flow is real hot.
Woo, man, hot. Man, don't stop. That bad bitch right now, she red hot, she a yellow bone. Big bitch, keep her toes done, nails done, hair done, man, that be bad done. Hey.
I like my girls with big flies, like the hater McDonald's with the super size. But you can get the Happy Meal if you motherfucking squeal. I ain't about that bullshit, so go on and sign the deal.
Go ahead and sign the deal. If not, I'ma stay up in the streets trying to get a meal. And some might get killed, but shit, I ain't dead yet. Nigga ain't gonna take me. He gonna have to take the whole set. The squad too. Game 2, you know I fuck with you. Max, what it do? Shout out to Low Gunner, that's my bro too. Insane in the brain too.
Yeah, I wish there were an easier, softer way to do this shit. You know, I don't want to influence kids in a bad way, but you know, you and I are both in the same fucking spot. If we don't get the fucking money, we can't help nobody if we ain't got no damn money. And I can't even put no fucking clothes up on my body. So I'm gonna get a shot at it. And instead of doing that shit, I'm gonna make some rhymes that is legit. And get a hit real quick. Get your fix. Got a bag of tricks.
Fix for a bag of tricks. In a bad bitch.
We gonna
Like
get rich
hair fit. This gay shit.
for the kids, man. Oh shit, man. That's a pretty good ride. Alright, dude. Well, real shit, bro.